it's time to get your pet questions answered live.
The number to call if you'd like to talk to Dr. Carrie Donahue from Full Circle Holistic Veterinary Care is 270-9933.
Hi, Carrie.
Hello, how are you guys?
Poppy's there. Right on cue.
Ready.
Right on cue. All right, let's go to the phones. We'll start with Alan from Burke. Hi, Alan. What's your question?
Hi. I got a 14-year-old tabby cat, and he has a persistent cough. It's been going on now for about 2 weeks, and I don't know what to do. It's like a really deep, persistent cough.
Oh, goodness. You know, and I have been seeing a number of cats this time of year who have developed cough, upper respiratory sort of inflammation, and it could be kind of like allergy related. It could be something in the air that might be bothering your cat. But I think I would say probably taking him into the vet just to have an evaluation. You know, they can do x-rays and see if there's anything going on in the lungs that might be causing that cough. That's probably what I would do. And even checking out his heart and everything like that.
Yeah, 14's getting up there.
Yeah, it is. A good long life for your cat. Let's go to Sue from Sauk City. Hi, Sue. What's your question?
My 8-year-old dog has anxiety, and I'm wondering what would be the best thing for her. She just had a surgery, too, so I'm trying to keep her calm.
Yeah, the storms don't help.
Storms didn't help, right?
Storms don't help, and that's so important after surgery to keep them calm, especially, when they want to keep going and dealing with the anxiety. You know, and my recommendation is to usually start with something natural and see if that's enough to kind of keep them calm. CBD oil is one thing that I usually always recommend. It's very safe to give to dogs, and that might even be enough to make a difference. So CBD oil is probably the thing I might start with, and it's great for inflammation, for calming, helping support the immune system, too.
And there's CBD for dogs?
There's CBD specifically for dogs, yep.
Okay, good luck. Let's go to Joel in Middleton. Hi, Joel, what's your question?
Hi there. My Husky Malamute mix has seasonal allergies that cause the skin on his lower legs and feet to get bright crimson red, and he starts to lick, and I'm wondering if there's any topical something that I can do to calm him down.
That's a good question, and something that's so common with dogs, the seasonal allergies. You can get a medicated sort of a spray or a medicated shampoo. You'd have to get that from your vet, something that would have an antibiotic, an antifungal for any yeast, and an anti-inflammatory in it. However, there are some non-medicated sprays. One that I really like is called Vetricin, and you can get that over the counter, and it really does a similar thing. Kills any bacteria and yeast, and is very soothing. So that might even be
Say that name again, please.
Start with.
What's the name again?
It's called Vetricin spray. It's a Vetricyn.
Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
All right, Vetricin. That's a good tip because a lot of people struggle with
and it's
that.
over the counter. You don't have to go to the vet.
Right. Let's go to Sheila in Madison. Hi, Sheila. What's your question?
Hi. I just had my cat I got her in February. My son brought her up to me because mine died.
Aww.
And it was terrible. I still cry over him.
I'm so sorry.
He brought me a new cat that was 1 year and 2 months old. And I had her spayed. I believe it was, I can't remember. It was about the 1st of this month, right around the end of June. And now she was in heat last week. And she even ran away and was gone for 3 days.
All right. So
Goodness.
is that possible?
Right. Well, after doing the spay surgery, it does take a bit of time for all of those hormones to kind of get completely out of the system. So it is possible that she was showing signs of heat. It shouldn't happen again. But I would say if it does happen again, you might go back to your vet and just have them reevaluate her.
All right, because it probably shouldn't happen.
It shouldn't. No, and it's very rare that something like that would happen.
We don't have time for the call, but Connie from Dodgeville wants to know, her dog licks himself too much. What can she do about it?
Licking, yeah, and that could be something like allergies, but it could also be kind of like an anxiety-related disorder as well. So maybe something like CBD would help, or even an antihistamine.
Okay.
That might be something to try.
All right, we are out of time. Thank you all for calling in. Thank you for your time, Carrie. Poppy, too.
Yes, of
Carrie,
course.
great to see you. Can't wait to have you and
too.
Poppy back in the studio.
Yes, me too.
All right,
Us too.
take
Thank
care.
you.
We'll have a final check of your forecast coming up.